Hi, this is Ken Bader from the Credit Union Business News Podcast. We're offering a service whereby we can talk to credit union CEOs out there during this pandemic so that they can share this video with their members and employees as to what they're doing during this temporary time of crisis. I have Mary Johnson, who is the CEO of Police Federal Credit Union of Omaha. Welcome, Mary, and tell us what you're doing at your credit union for your employees and your members at this time.
Great, thanks for having me, Ken. We are, obviously, we're here for our members and our employees as well. We're trying to plan some fun things in the office for the employees because we can't get out. We had a food day yesterday for employees for St. Patrick's Day and did our own little celebration and yet we are still doing the social distancing. Everybody's there 6 feet or more away, and it worked out very well, and staff morale is great. As far as the members go, we did send out an email on March 12th letting the members know we're here. By all means, call us with any questions they have. We reminded them of all the electronic means that we have for them to conduct their business. There really is very little reason for anyone to come into the credit union. I mean, even if you need cash, you can go to the ATM. We are asking that they use drive-through if at all possible, but the lobby is still open. We have barriers in place to make sure that everybody keeps a safe distance away from each other, and that's working. We have found that foot traffic has slowed down naturally. So we never have more than 1 or 2 people in the lobby at any one time. So even as far as our 10 people maximum for social gatherings, which is really social gathering, we're well underneath that as well. So we take it very seriously, but with serving law enforcement, they have to work no matter what, and that's always the avenue that we have taken as well, is that if they have to work, we're going to be here for them and for their families.
Yeah, that's a great point, and I personally chime in with a huge thank you to all law enforcement, including your members and all first responders. This temporary crisis has made what's always a tough job an even tougher job right now. So I personally appreciate it and say thank you. First and foremost, during this temporary issue, as I'll call it, what do you want your members to know in terms of their services at the Police Federal Credit Union of Omaha?
We have not cut any services by any means. We have expanded some things. Remote deposit capture, we've increased the amount per check deposit from the norm, so that if somebody gets that larger check, they don't have to come in. Of course, we do have night drop box that members can put their checks and cash in as well. We would tell you that I wouldn't be so concerned at withdrawing large dollar amounts of cash. Use your debit card. In today's age, you don't have to hand that card off to anybody. It goes from you to the machine and back to your wallet. That's probably safer and cleaner than cash. Cash is, filthy to begin with. So remind people that we are working with people, that are having hardships right now. There's, officers are working, but their significant other spouses, partners may not be. So, we can certainly skip a payment on a loan. It's just at a case-by-case basis. Whatever that member needs, we should be able to meet that need.
Yeah, that's the last point that you made is a great example of what I'm seeing from credit unions around the country. The people helping people aspect was always there, and it's there even more now. So I will echo your comment that that cash is dirty. It always has been. So certainly, if you need cash or you feel the need, then so be it. But a lot of places that are still open, you could just put your credit card or debit card in the machine without touching anything else. So that's another good point in terms of the social distancing and keeping yourself safe. So any other last points that you would like to share? It sounds like, as many credit unions, its operations pretty much as normal, with maybe some suggestions that unless you absolutely positively have to go into a lobby, use the other services for the safety of yourself and of the credit union employees. That's certainly what I want to stress and what I got from your statement. Anything else that you'd like to leave us with in terms of what's happening and how you are, frankly, rising above the pandemic that we have right now?
We're just trying to be here and not add to the hysteria, and let the members know that if you have a question, by all means, call. We're here.
Yeah, and what is that phone number to Police Federal Credit Union of Omaha?
402-391-4040. Our toll-free number is 877-329-2405. If you have any issues after hours, like with debit card and credit card, we do have that on our recording as how to handle those issues as well, if you have a fraud issue or a lost, stolen card. So, and then you can find all the information on our website as well.
Terrific. It sounds as though, for the most part, it's business as normal for the law enforcement members and their families in Nebraska and Iowa for you. So that's terrific. Certainly, we appreciate what you're doing, Mary, and appreciate what all of your staff are doing and all of your members in law enforcement are doing at this time. With that, we'll simply close this and say, call or go to the website to get more information on Police Federal Credit Union of Omaha at this time. And of course, to you, Mary, to all of your employees and to all of your members, stay healthy and stay safe.
Thank you very much.